Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change the DNS server on your Mac. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get started. First things first, look up to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Apple logo. Then, select System Settings. Alright, once you're in System Settings, take a look at the left-hand side menu and find Network. Click on that. Now this is important. If you're connected to the internet using Wi-Fi, you'll want to click on Wi-Fi. But if you're using an Ethernet cable, you'll select your Ethernet network below. In our case, we're using Wi-Fi, so we'll click on that. Next to the network you're currently connected to, you should see a Details button. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up your network settings. On the left-hand side of this new window, click on DNS. Okay, now you'll see the DNS box. To add a new DNS server, just click the plus button. Now, enter the DNS server address you want to use. In this example, I'm going to connect to Cloudflare's DNS, which is 1.1.1.1. But remember, there are other popular options, like Google's DNS, which is 8888. Feel free to use whichever you prefer. Once you've entered the DNS server address, click OK. And that's it. You can now close out of your system settings. Your DNS server has been successfully changed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.